Allacademy. Always with you.
Have you heard of ChatGPT? If you're into technology or just curious about the future of artificial intelligence, you've probably come across this name. But what exactly is ChatGPT? How does it work, and why is it making waves in so many industries? Don't worry, in this video, we'll dive deep into the world of ChatGPT, explore how it works, its key features, and how it's transforming various sectors. Let's get started. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI, based on the generative pre-trained transformer architecture. It has been trained on vast amounts of text data from books, articles, websites, and other sources to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can engage in conversations, answer questions, write content, translate languages, and more. ChatGPT operates by predicting the next word or phrase based on the context of the conversation, using deep learning techniques and a neural network designed to simulate human-like understanding of language. Let's talk about some of the amazing features of ChatGPT. Natural language understanding. First, ChatGPT is incredibly good at understanding and generating text. Whether you're asking a complex question or just having a casual conversation, it can process and respond in a way that feels intuitive and natural. Multitasking capabilities. It's a multitasker. From generating blog posts to solving math problems, translating languages, writing code, or even creating poetry, ChatGPT is a versatile assistant for almost any task that involves language. Customizable responses. One of the coolest features is that you can customize ChatGPT's responses. Want it to speak formally or casually? Need it to write like an academic or in a more creative style? ChatGPT can adjust its tone and approach to match your needs. Extensive knowledge. ChatGPT is built on a vast knowledge base, having been trained on a massive range of subjects, from science and history to pop culture and technology. While its information might not be up to the minute, it has a solid understanding of topics across the board. But how does ChatGPT learn all of this and how it works? At its core, ChatGPT is powered by something called a transformer neural network. This is a deep learning model that processes text by breaking it down into patterns. Think of it like a giant web of connections where words and phrases are linked in a way that helps the model predict what comes next in a sentence. To make ChatGPT smart, it was trained on vast amounts of data, books, websites, and other forms of text. It doesn't just memorize the information, though. It learns from it. By analyzing patterns in language, ChatGPT figures out how words, sentences, and even entire conversations are structured. When you ask a question or make a request, ChatGPT breaks it down into smaller parts to understand the meaning. Then, it generates a response based on what it has learned, ensuring the reply is relevant and coherent. But remember, it doesn't think like a human. It just predicts the next best word based on patterns. One key feature of ChatGPT is its ability to keep track of the conversation's context. If you ask a follow-up question, it can remember the previous parts of the conversation, which makes the interaction feel more natural and engaging. Even though ChatGPT is already impressive, it's constantly improving. Developers update the model with new data and feedback, so it gets smarter over time, learning from mistakes and refining its answers. Now, let's look at how ChatGPT is making a real impact across different industries. Customer service. ChatGPT is commonly used in customer support to provide instant assistance through chatbots or virtual assistants. It can answer common queries, handle requests, troubleshoot issues, and even guide users through processes, improving efficiency and user satisfaction. Education and e-learning. ChatGPT is used as a tutor or teaching assistant. It helps students by answering questions, explaining concepts, generating study material, and offering personalized learning experiences. It's especially useful for providing quick answers to students' inquiries outside of classroom hours. Healthcare. In healthcare, ChatGPT can be used to assist in symptom checkers, provide general medical information, though not as a replacement for a doctor, help with administrative tasks like appointment scheduling, and assist mental health professionals with therapeutic conversation simulations. However, its use must be supervised by medical professionals due to limitations in accuracy and medical expertise. Marketing and content creation. In marketing, ChatGPT is used for generating blog posts, social media content, ad copy, and product descriptions. It helps companies produce content faster and even assists with brainstorming ideas. It can also be used for market research by analyzing consumer feedback or generating insights from large datasets. Human resources. ChatGPT assists HR departments in automating repetitive tasks like initial candidate screening, answering employee questions about policies, and assisting with onboarding processes. It can also help with the creation of job descriptions or employee engagement surveys. Finance. In finance, ChatGPT is used for customer inquiries about account balances, transactions, and financial products. It can also help generate reports, analyze financial data, and assist with budgeting by providing suggestions or tools. Entertainment and gaming. ChatGPT is used to enhance gaming experiences by creating dynamic storylines, dialogues, and in-game interactions. It can also be used to generate creative writing, like short stories, novels, and screenplays, by collaborating with authors or creators. Legal. In the legal industry, ChatGPT can assist with document drafting, legal research, and summarizing cases. It helps legal professionals by quickly processing information, saving them time in preparing paperwork or case analysis. Technology and software development. Developers use ChatGPT as a code assistant. It can suggest code snippets, debug issues, explain programming concepts, or help write documentation. It's a useful tool for both beginner and advanced developers. Retail and e-commerce. ChatGPT is used in retail to assist with product recommendations, provide support for customers in choosing products, and offer guidance on the purchasing process. It also helps automate customer inquiries regarding order status and returns. Well, ChatGPT is a versatile AI tool that's revolutionizing the way businesses and individuals interact with technology. It provides efficient solutions across various industries by enhancing communication, streamlining tasks, and offering personalized support. While it's not a replacement for humans, it complements human work by performing repetitive or time-consuming tasks, allowing professionals to focus on higher-value activities. As technology continues to evolve, the applications of ChatGPT are bound to grow, bringing even more innovations to industries worldwide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know how you think ChatGPT will shape the future. Stay connected with Allacademy, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring.
Click on subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates from
Allacademy.